Mweri wetandatu mwaka wa 2024 ituria ndogo ya guita maithori na mĩrũrũngano nĩcio ciaihuire mĩena ĩtiganĩte bũrũri-inĩ, no Nairobi nĩkuo gwacacĩte makĩria.
Government is suffocating us. Exactly. We are peaceful.
Andũ ethĩ maihuirwo nĩ marakara na marũrũ motongoria wa thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza makĩrurumũra ũrũme ũtarĩ woneka gatagatĩ ka andũ ethĩ bũrũri-inĩ. Kĩrĩa maugaga nĩ kwambatĩra kwa thogora wa mũtũrĩre na magoti ma igũrũ makiumũrũrũka barabara makĩenda mũgambo wao wĩiguo. Mũrũrũngano-inĩ ũyũ mũciĩ mũnene wa Nairobi niho twacemanirie na mũirĩtu ũyũ ũrĩa wĩkĩrĩte igoti rĩa rangi wa ngirini na ũrĩa ũĩkaine ta Wanjikũ Stephen. Maĩ ma kũrereka matingĩamũrũgamirie akinyie mũgambo wa rika rĩrĩ rĩa ma Gen Z.
And then nikaona there's this guy aligongwa na hiyo canon ya maji. And then I was like, this man is young, is energetic, believes not just in himself but believes in the people. Then I thought to myself, hapa nikiangalia, if I don't speak up as a woman, wanawake wengine hawatapata ile courage ya kufight. So nikifika pale, honestly, I don't know what happened and I don't know where that courage came from, but nilijipata tu niko pale katikati. The next thing I know, acha nikwambie, I thought I was energetic. I know I'm short and everything. I was thinking of running, but then I didn't run.
Ũrũme ũyũ nduonekete he Wanjikũ tu. Shakila Wafula nĩonge rĩtwa rĩake rĩtambĩte.
Niskume. I'm here for Kenya, I'm here for my people, I'm here for your rights. For me, the element was trying to control how I'm moving. I'm not doing anything. I wasn't picketing, I wasn't shouting. I just wanted to walk away, but the police didn't allow me to do that. So my pressure zikapanda, and was like, you can't harass me. When generally anything involving the household, it is basically the woman's responsibility. So if anything, ni sisi ndo tutateseka.
Wajira Wanjikũ ti mũgeni maitho-inĩ ma aingĩ na ugĩte thengia wa marĩa mothe arũrũngani makoretwo makĩgerera kuma kũnyitwo mĩgwate, njũragano na mangĩ. Ona gũtuĩka kwĩmambĩtie kũina rũrĩa thirikari ĩraina, matigana gũkua ngoro na nĩkĩo marathiĩ na mbere na kũrũrũngana makĩrwo makeni magatigithia thirikari ya mathikĩrĩria.
Kenya has become a police state. That police can even come to your residential areas with tear gas and guns and water cannons. That young people are abducted in their homes, that I have to keep looking over my shoulders just in case someone is coming to abduct me. What is this?
People have now come to realize that it's not just us letting the men lead when it comes to things we are fighting for, our future for. It's come together as women because we know what we are going to miss if we don't have a voice, if we don't speak for the other women who look up to us.
We will not allow that their death be in vain. We will not allow their position to dance on their graves. We will not allow our country to ever go back to the realities that you cannot go out to protest for fear that a bullet might take your life.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV njĩtagwo Njenga wa Wambui.